Debunking 5 common myths about ceramic coating. Are you considering getting ceramic coating for your car but feeling unsure because of what you've heard? Don't worry, you're not alone. There are many myths surrounding ceramic coating that can make it confusing to understand. Let's debunk 5 of the most common myths and get to the truth. Myth 1. Ceramic coating is permanent. One of the biggest misconceptions about ceramic coating is that it lasts forever. While it provides long-lasting protection, it eventually wears off and needs to be reapplied. Typically, ceramic coatings can last anywhere from 1 to 5 years depending on factors like application quality and maintenance. Myth 2. Ceramic coating eliminates the need for washing. While ceramic coating does make washing your car easier by repelling dirt and water, it doesn't mean you can skip washing altogether. Regular washing is still necessary to maintain the coating and keep your car looking its best. However, you'll find that cleaning becomes much quicker and easier with ceramic coating. Myth 3. Ceramic coating makes your car scratch-proof. Although ceramic coating does provide an extra layer of protection against minor scratches and swirl marks, it's not completely scratch-proof. While it can help prevent scratches from everyday wear and tear, it won't protect against deep scratches or major impacts. Myth 4. Ceramic coating is expensive. While it's true that ceramic coating can initially seem like a significant investment, it's important to consider the long-term benefits. Not only does ceramic coating provide superior protection against environmental damage, but it also reduces the need for frequent waxing and detailing, ultimately saving you money in the long run. Myth 5. Ceramic coating can only be applied by professionals. While professional application ensures the best results, there are also DIY ceramic coating kits available for those who want to apply it themselves. However, it's essential to follow the instructions carefully and take your time to achieve the desired outcome. Professional application may be preferred for those looking for expert-level results or have more complex surfaces to coat. In conclusion, ceramic coating is a valuable investment for protecting your vehicle and maintaining its appearance. By debunking these common myths, we hope to provide clarity and help you make an informed decision about whether ceramic coating is right for you.